Step 1. Book in at site. Step 2. Take before photos of GRU. Step 3. Remove screws from lid. Keep in safe place for later. Step 4. Remove lid, clean with soapy water and leave to dry. Step 5. Check cork seal for wear, replace as necessary. Step 6. Remove fog cassette, empty oil into used cooking oil container, check seal for wear, replace as necessary. Place fog cassette in sink to clean. Step 7. Remove food basket, empty food waste into applicable bin. Check for damage to the basket to ensure it fits nicely into the housing. Record any damage. Place basket in sink to clean. Step 8. Remove Cyclone plate. Place in sink to clean. On some units there will be an additional part under the Cyclone plate that you will also need to remove. Remove inlet shut-off plate, place in sink to clean. Remove float assembly, place in sink to clean. Clean all the above items and leave to dry. Drain the unit using the silk valve, taking care not to allow any fog in the chamber to leave the unit. There is no requirement to disconnect the power from the unit, as the heater pad is perfectly safe with a dry unit. Using a wet and dry vacuum, remove any remaining liquid in the unit, spray inside of the unit with a degreaser and wipe out with blue roll. It should be possible for you to empty the contents of your vac into the site's used cooking oil container, so you should be able to leave the site without any waste. Remove the 4 screws covering the heater pad. Check that the heater pad assembly is dry. And check the indicator light is working. This will come on and off as the unit reaches the required temperature. Replace the heater pad cover. Using degreaser, wipe over the central area to ensure it is clean and dry. Replace the cleaned parts from 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 from earlier. So the float assembly, the fog cassette, vortex plate, shut-off valve and the food basket. Take after photos. Replace the lid and screws. Check that the daily maintenance stickers are in place and replace as required. Fill the unit with water. Perform drop tests of sinks attached to unit, checking that the water level in the unit does not rise above expected norms. Wipe the outside of the unit with stainless steel cleaner. Tidy your tools and return them to your van. Mop the area around the unit to ensure the site is left cleaner than when you arrived. Take photos. Carry out staff training, getting the name of staff member for reference and recording any comments, positive or negative, from the staff on your job sheet. Record any deficiencies with the unit, pipework, etc. on your job sheet. Complete the job sheet and get signed. Share best practice photos with Google Chat.